Hi guys, it's DJ here from Cozy RC, and in this video we're going to do an unpacking video. I got a box from my friend Raf from Poland. He sent me some goodies. If you hear some background noises, that's my laser cutter on the background, and also my children are playing in the garden, so sorry for the noises that you might hear in the background. Before we're going to open this package, first off I'm showing you my new lipos. So these are some CNHL 5200 4S batteries, 90C. These are about the best lipos you can get, especially for the price. They are often discounted. I also got these for a discount. I didn't get them sponsored, I just paid the regular price. But these 4S lipos are intended for the Cozy M950, which I'm building over here. This is a 950 millimeter long hull. That's why it's called the M950, which is 37.4 inches for the US viewers. And this will get an 8S setup with a Hobby King Sea-King 200 amp speed controller and a 4092 1200 kV or 1500 kV motor. I got both of these motors, and I'm going to run it on 2x4S. So actually I got 4 of these batteries, so I have 2 sets of 8S. They always come with these nice stickers. I got a bunch of them now because I have quite a lot of their batteries. So this is the lipo tray for the M950, just bare wood, and these fit on there perfectly, nice. So they can be strapped on here, like one set of straps over here, and another set of straps on the other side. There's plenty of room to shift them. I made it on purpose, a big lipo tray. Basically I intend to put the speed controller over here because the Sea-King 200 amp is a really big speed controller, so I want to put it over here, and then I still have some room to shift the lipos. And also I will use these lipos for my newly bought hydro and marine bed boat, which is just an awesome boat which I have upstairs in my other room. And that will be reviewed on my channel very soon. Now let's see what Raf sent me. I already have some ideas because he told me for some items, but maybe there are also some surprises in there. Let's see. Nice, alright, I already see some nice items popping up. Wow, great. Alright, so let's start with these drivers. These are just awesome. I already received a few of these from Raf before, and they are perfect for example, my vintage F1 Hydro, which I still have to build, by the way. But this is the cockpit cowl for that Hydro, and this is the same driver, you see? And it fits there perfectly. Alright, so yeah, really happy with these. I am going to sell these, so if you're interested in a driver, let me know. These are just supports for the printing process, and also over here and here, so they are easy to break away with a sharp knife. I think he sent me maybe about 10 of these drivers. So yeah, if you're interested to buy one, or maybe 2, let me know. This is the 3rd already. Okay, nice. I recognize these. Okay, these are some sweets. a personal gift, and I actually really like them. I'm a sweet tooth, so yes, I'm happy with these. Thank you, Raf. Wow, check it out. This is awesome. This is a Mercury cover for a Mercury outboard, and these fit the TFL large outboard leg. And yeah, I don't have my TFL large outboard leg over here, but this is the cowl that I made myself from glass fiber, which I think looks pretty good, but this shape-wise is of course much more realistic. And this cover fits a 4072 or maybe even a 4082 motor, so that is awesome. Yes, I'm definitely putting this behind my F1 tunnel. So for those of you who are running a TFL large outboard leg, I do have some of these. You see, I think 1, 2, 3, so I will sell at least one of them. So yeah, this is the bottom part. Awesome. These are just some supports, which I will cut away with a knife. And I think also this hole should be a little bit cleaned, but no problem. And then this fits on the outboard leg directly with some screws, and then this cover can be put on. Wow, yes, nice, it fits great. This looks awesome with some Mercury decals. That will be a great looker. This is a little heavy because there are some drivers in there. That's what I call smart packing. Okay, put the drivers over there. Okay, another one, nice. And here is the third one, I think. Whoa. Yes, okay, how many drivers I got now? 7. And 3 covers already. Let's see what else is in there. Okay, yes, I got some idea what this is. Nice. Okay guys, this is not RC boat related at all, but I will open it up for your enjoyment. So remember, Raf is from Poland, and Poland is known for making very nice vodka. And I have some suspicion that this is another nice bottle of liquor. Oh wow. Nice. So this is lemon taste. That's great. Thank you very much. 28%, so I shouldn't drink the whole bottle at once. But trust me, I won't do that. Wow. That's a lot of drivers. They keep coming. Big family. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. And then over here we got another bottle of liquor. Okay guys, don't get the wrong impression. I do like a beer every now and then, and I can enjoy a small glass of this liquor, but don't think that I'm a big user. But I really appreciate this, Raf. This is like a local treat from the country that you live in right now, so I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. And then there's still more. This is very well packed. So let's be careful with the knife here. Wow, that looks like some carbon fiber to me. No way, that is awesome. Wow, so this is a hatch cover for my M700 boat, which, alright, I will grab my M700 so we can test fit it. Obviously it needs trimming, but this looks great and feels strong as well. Okay, let's look into this a little bit later. Let me get my M700. Alright, I grabbed my M700 and I'm about to test fit these cowls, but just look at this one. Wow, that's awesome, Raf. Thank you. You obviously made a big effort to make this because it's a carbon fiber cowl, and I guess these are the supporting frames. Not yet sure. Let's take a closer look on it later, but this carbon cowl is looking so nice, and you made the effort to put a glass weave section in it for a GPS and receiver reception. M700, yes. Man, and it's really strong. I wonder how you made this so nice, so I will ask you. And of course it needs trimming, but then it will be something like this. Man, that looks great. Awesome. It has a different shape from my default M700 cowl, which is made from wood, which is this one. And this one, the one that is made by Raf, is a little bit, let's say, flatter, less height, and wider. I like it. I like it. It's different, but I really like the shape, and it's just so nicely made. No pinholes. So yes, let's discuss, Raf, how you made this, and of course I will also share it on my channel with you viewers. So I will trim this and then we can fit it, and I think it will look great. So that's it. Contents of the package. Really happy with these. As I mentioned, these driver figures are for sale. Let me know if you're interested. At least I have already one seller, which will take one. I will contact you, and I will sell 2 of these outboard covers. So let me know if you're interested. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!